Tired of exporting entire Excel sheets when you only need a small, critical section? Let's transform your Excel to PDF exports from cluttered to concise in under 90 seconds. First, open the Excel spreadsheet containing the data you want to export. Notice how we have a lot of information here, but we only want to include a specific part in our PDF. The simplest way to define your PDF export area is by selecting the exact cells you wish to print. Click and drag your mouse to highlight all the data you want to appear in your PDF document. Make sure you've captured everything relevant. Now, head to the File tab in the top left corner of your Excel window. From the File menu, click on Print. On the print screen, you'll see a section for settings. By default, it might be set to Print Active Sheets. Click on this drop-down menu and choose Print Selection. This tells Excel to only export the cells you've just highlighted. As you can see in the print preview, your PDF will now only contain the specific area you selected. A circumflex euros. Clean, focused, and exactly what you need. Finally, to save this as a PDF, look for your printer options and select the Save as PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF option. Click Save, choose your location, and your perfectly scoped PDF is ready to go. And that's how you set an area in Excel to export as a PDF. For more Excel tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe.